कॅप्टन आय स्टार्ट विथ यू. तुम्ही जेन्ना आज ह्या गजाली कडेन पळयतात, सरकार म्हणटा की आमी पावलां उखल्ल्यात, खूब सिरियसली घेतल्या ही गजाल, वी हॅव स्टार्टेड इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन, वी आर इवन इन्क्रीजिंग द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द SIT. What do you expect from the SIT now, and are you satisfied with the way the investigation is going on right now?
First of all, हे SIT जे फॉर्म केला, it would have had more meaning and people would have had faith if it was constituted under a judge or a retired judge. So that there would have been some sanctity to the findings. Now, I don't want to doubt the efficiency, effectiveness of the SIT team. They will crack the case. The cops are very competent. But at the end of it, they always go to brief the chief minister who has constituted his SIT. Politically seen, what we come to know is there is a one-upmanship within the cabinet. Ekta tor North Goa findings about ODPs, chief minister is putting an SIT to find the land dealings. If they are serious, and when I say serious, this is concerning everything about Goenkar Pond, everything about Goa. Today, the properties are being taken away without the knowledge of the owner. And in that context, and politically seen, I will say what Plutarch had written, that Caesar's wife should be above suspicion. That's it.
या मुद्द्याचे आता Caesar's wife should be above suspicion, and whether this SIT probe, the way it is constituted, makes that true.